Good morning guys! Harvesting time na naman! Harvesting time in Higakit, Surigao del Norte, Philippines. And we are here in the rice field. Time to harvest the first cropping. Look at that guys! A very nice combine harvester. Kubota brand. This is 70 Pro Philippines. Hello mga kaka-farmers dyan. Look at this video. Ito yung tatapat sa Yanmar combine harvester. Tatapat sa Yanmar. Mabilis din to guys. High productive, high performance Kubota combine harvester. Ito ang buhay ng isang farmers dito sa amin sa Caraga, Philippines. Panahon na din para magkapira yung mga operator. Time to harvest, time to make a profit. The operator of this machine, agricultural machine. It's time to the grace of God. Don't forget our God guys. He is the owner of these things. Very nice guys. Very nice combine harvester. Salamat sa inyong pagmamahal sa mga farmers guys. At sa lahat dyan nasa katungkulan, bigyan natin ng pagpapahalaga. Give time and give a budget to these farmers, because our farmers help the community, help the economy of the country, of all nations. Good. Nice. Very nice machine guy, agricultural machine. This is a high technology combine harvester, and this brand is Kubota DC70 Pro Philippines. We are here in the rice field with a small house, bahay kubo guys, andito sa Palayan. Dito kami nag-standby kasi mainit, napakainit ang panahon guys. Malapit na matapos yung one lot guys. One lot will finish, transfer to another lot. Woo! Good. Like and share. Thank you.